Peace and greetings, guys. This is Corey Rose with YBN, everyone's favorite internet entrepreneur. And in this video, we're going to be talking about business credit. And is this a viable funding option for your business, for your LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or whatever you got going on out there? So make sure to share this video. Hit me with a like. Put in the comments if you have a business. Put your business name. And we'll be getting started just a second. So in this video, guys, like I said before, I want to educate you guys about business credit. All right, so I want to take you through some of the education of business credit, and then we're going to talk about what we can actually do for your business in that arena. All right, so as you see here, we have a presentation by our partners over at Langling Associates. That's who put this presentation together today that we will be going over in this webinar class, web class. So let's go ahead and get started with the webinar. So what is the number one reason businesses fail today, guys? What is the number one reason businesses fail today? That's correct. Funding, finances, funding, right? If you're always pulling from your personal income and personal assets to keep the business going, your business will fail. Now, one of the keys to a successful business today is utilizing and understanding business credit. All right, guys, you got to understand business credit is a little bit different than personal credit, okay? With business credit, you actually have 4 tiers. And let's go over the tiers now. Tier 1 is your initial business credit. These are your starter vendor credits, all right? These are your U-lines, your quills. Think about this as building a house. This is the concrete foundation of building great credit profiles for your business. Tier 2 is advanced business credit. This is where you get your first business credit cards, guys. This is where you get the Walmarts, the Home Depots, the Amazon cards as well. Now, tier 3 is where you get your first taste of unsecured money, all right? Unsecured lines of credit. And this is from bank lending and alternate financing. Alternate financing, guys, could be equipment financing, right? Could be auto financing. It could be, collateral. A lot of different things could be in tier 3. Now, tier 4 is, as you can see, is VC and bank investors. This is where you get your angel investors, right? This is where the VC companies and the angel investors come in with anywhere up to $2 million based off, your business credit history, revenue, and a lot of other factors where they invest into your business. So these are the 4 tiers when it comes to business credit, and your business should be a fortress of protection. The reason why you started that LLC, the reason why you did that S Corp, right, is to give you a line of protection between you and your business and your personal assets. This right here takes it a step further in doing so, allowing your business to fund itself. All right. What's going on, everybody that's joining in? Make sure to share this video if you like this type of content and information. Now, business credit, we got 3 parts. We have you, your business, and business risk. See the line of protection, guys? We want to put your business in between you and business risk. So, what is business credit? I've been saying it a lot, right? Business credit is learning how to use other people's money to operate and fund your business without you risking your personal assets and life savings. Business credit, as I said earlier, is similar to personal credit, and they both have separate credit profiles. So just like personal credit, business credit has credit profiles. Now, personal credit scores are tracked by social security numbers. All right. Business credit scores are done by your EIN. As I always talk about, guys, You can see for years I was talking about you want to make sure your social security number is not linked to your EIN number. All right, you want that to be separate, because if it's not, you're giving personal guarantees even though you're using your business. So this is a big mistake a lot of people make, and you don't want to make that mistake. All right. Now, typo here: business credit, personal credit, FICO scores actually run from 300 to 850. And as I always talk about, we want to talk about FICO scores, and business scores run from 0 to 100. In both instances, your score determines your ability to get credit, lower interest rates, and your credibility with the world, the business world at large. Okay? Any questions? Any questions so far? Now, what is the big advantage of having good business credit? And the biggest advantage, guys, is lower interest rates. As you know, the lower your interest rates, the lower you're going to be paying back. All right, you'll be paying more back of the principal and not the actual interest rates that you have to pay for. And what is interest, guys? Interest is the penalty you pay when you can't afford something. So when you can't afford it and you need to buy it, you want the lowest interest rates possible. And that's what good business credit gives you. Now let's take just a side-by-side comparison of average credit and business credit. Now, average credit, loan amount is $50,000. Same here with good credit. As you can see, the loan amounts are the same, but the interest rates are a big difference. Average credit, you get an 11%, good credit, 8%. Now, 3% doesn't sound like a lot, but look how much in payments that is. So each and every month, that's an additional $54 you're paying, and then the total amount of the loan is going to come close to $7,000. So that's money back in your pocket that you can reinvest and that you can make money on, because you always want to make your money work for you. Let's take one more example, as we have here now, $1 million loan, 15-year loan. Interest rates on this one is 10 and 8, only a 2% difference, but the payments per month is massive with almost $1,200 extra in payments. And when that comes out to the life of the loan, that's over $210,000 less that you have to pay out your pocket because you have good business credit. Now, here's some of the lines of business credit. You can get a line of unsecured credit that everyone wants, right? Yeah, you can get lease back financing. You can get leasing and auto equipment financing. You can get asset-based financing. You can get the Visa, the MasterCard, the American Express cards. You can get real estate loans, commercial properties, business acquisitions, and equipment purchases. This is why it's so powerful, guys. This is what's funding your business. This is what's pushing your business forward. This is why it's so powerful. Now, how does our business credit program work? All right, we have a 10-point business credit program. We're going to teach you the credit system, right? We're going to create a portrait for your business. We're going to give you recommendations so you can use the right vendors, and we will help you expand your credit powers. How do you get good business credit? It's probably the question you have right now. And you just need to understand the system. Based off our experience, and we know how to work the system in your advantage so that business credit can take you to the next level. Now, recognize there are several business credit agencies that keep your business credit score, right? One, at the bottom, we have D&B, which is Dun & Bradstreet. We have Experian, we have Equifax, and we have Business Credit USA. Now, Equifax and Experian, you guys should be familiar with those names. But business credit does not report to those ones, the Equifax and Experian that you may think of. Equifax is actually the small business exchange, and Experian is Experian info services. So there's actually a different division of credit that goes for these bureaus. All right, and you want to have all four, but definitely the last three, because you want to make sure that all your trade lines are reporting everywhere. Any questions out there? Any questions? Any questions? All right. Now, the problem with business credit agencies is they are not regulated like personal credit agencies. They're not regulated, guys. And the initial snapshot or profile of your business is essential of getting excellent business credit. You need to work with the right vendors that will report to all the agencies about your payment history, gas companies, office supply, etc. There's over 3,000 to choose from, and like I said, we will give you a recommended list of what we feel is best for your company. And of course, as the owner, you have the authority to pick which ones you want to work with. All right. So that's why, as like I say, it's crucial to get on all of these credit bureaus to make sure you have profiles on all of them, because this allows you to make sure that your payment history is being picked up. Now, through the use of our corporate coach, you will create a business plan and a financial statement with a profit and loss. Now, this is expanding your credit. If you do want to get an advanced membership, we will create a business and professional business and marketing plan with 5-year financials for your business in order to strengthen your leverage when it comes to loans and business credit. Now, how does the program work? Just to give you a quick snapshot, we'll give you a personal coach. We'll teach you the credit system. As I said before, we'll portray your business, creating that financial plan if that's what you want to go that deep in the program. We also help you pick the right lenders and expand your credit powers. All right. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any questions? Now, I want to break down our actual 10-point program to you guys. So now I have just hopped over to CoreyDRose.com. Link is in the description if you want to get a free business credit consultation. And in here, guys, you can see our 10-point program. All right, our 10-point program. So point 1, the first thing we're going to do is perform a business compliance and documentation review of your business, because as I stated in this episode, that is steps that you must take before you even consider business credit. Step 2 is we're going to help you with your Dun & Bradstreet file and establishing your Dun & Bradstreet rating. 3, we're going to help you now get your Dun & Bradstreet paydex score. All right, very crucial to get that paydex score. Next, we're going to help you establish your business, your Experian Business Info services. Then we're going to get you the Experian IntelliScore number, which is relative to your paydex score. Next, we're going to help you create your Equifax Small Business Financial Exchange, which is very crucial because it's going to put you on some databases and directories that's going to legitimize your business, especially when you're going after these trade lines and loans. Next, as I said earlier, we're going to provide you with a non-comprehensive list of trade accounts that may or may not report to all of these said big three business bureaus. Next, we're going to help you with your business report corrections. So with any of the applications or that you need with these trade lines, we'll help you with those corrections as needed. And as a bonus, number 10, we will be helping you with your personal credit. We'll give you evaluation, give you tips on what you need to do to strengthen that, because that's only helps leverage your business if you do need to give personal guarantees. As you see here, we also have a funding and financing program as well, but we won't be talking about that in this video. As you see, here's our packages. We have 3 packages going from Ruby, Gold, and Platinum. Our first Ruby packages is where you'll get 2 our best-selling ebooks of how to add primary trade lines to your business or personal file, and how to build business credit not linked to your social. Our Gold package is our credit building business 10-point credit business building program that I just went over. As you can see, that guys is $149 per month. Okay. And lastly is our platinum, and our platinum is a mix of our gold and our financing plan. So guys, if you have any questions, make sure to sign up for a free consultation here. All you have to do is push on the book it button. Myself or one of my reps will answer all your questions and help you get started with the program before my next consultation. Any questions out there? Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Hope you learned a lot from it. If there aren't any questions, once again, my name is Corey Rose from Your Business Needs, everyone's favorite internet entrepreneur. Until next time, peace and a shea.